Welcome to the demo of Creo Virtual Proofing System 2.1. This release includes 3 new features: rulers, guides, and opaque inks. The rulers feature draws measurement rules along the top and left sides of the view, adjusting them according to the current zoom level and to the units as set in the preferences. As you move the cursor, small indicators in the rulers show the current cursor position. You can reset the origin for the rulers by dragging from the top left corner of the rulers into the window. When you let go, that point will become the new origin of the rulers. To restore the origin to the top left, just double-click into the top left corner of the rulers. Guides are lines that float over the document so you can use them to check that objects are aligned, even if those objects are on opposite sides of the press sheet. To use a guide, place the cursor inside a ruler, press the mouse button, and then drag the mouse away from the ruler, creating the guide. With a hand tool, you can reposition a guide. When you move the cursor close to the guide, it allows you to move the guides. To delete a guide, just drag it back onto the ruler. Use the View menu command Hide Guides to make guides invisible, and the Clear Guides command to delete all the guides off the page. Virtual Proofing 2 treated all inks as transparent, that is, an ink would mix with the inks above and below it. With Virtual Proofing 2.1, you can identify an ink as opaque so that the ink covers everything beneath it. The opacity icon can be toggled to treat an ink as opaque or as transparent. Toggle the icon by clicking on it. Opaque inks create different results based on which inks lie above and below each other. The ink laydown order should be the same as on the press units. To adjust ink laydown order, click and hold a separation name, and then move the ink to the correct place, either closer to the press sheet, in an upward direction, or away from the press sheet,